Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brian. Today we're going to do another Dutch pour. We're going to do it on a black background. And I've chosen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors. What I want to try to do is paint over a canvas that I didn't really like the composition, so I scraped it and let it dry. It was a light baby blue background, so I'm just going to cover it with black, and then we're going to put some other colors on it. So I'll get you down on the canvas and we'll talk about the colors today. Be right back. Okay, so just some quick tips that I'm finding out here. This is a 16 by 20 canvas. So what I'm finding, because it's not a long and wide canvas, I am finding that my hairdryer with a standard 3-inch wide attachment really just blows too much paint. And so by the time I'm done blowing, I've got large blowouts, and on a smaller canvas it just takes over. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my smaller attachment, because it's got a 1-inch wide attachment, and I can have better range with how I'm blowing it out. So today's colors, what we're going to use Amsterdam's Phthalo blue, Amsterdam's sky blue light, DecoArt berry, Pebeo iridescent green yellow, Amsterdam turquoise green. I'm going to dribble just a little bit of Amsterdam titanium white and finish it off with Artist Loft-Metallic lemon yellow. I think these colors are going to really pop on a black background. So I think I've got them in the order that I want to put them on the canvas. A little is going to go a long way because, again, this isn't a huge canvas. It's only a 16 by 20. So, all right, let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and flood this, touch up the sides, and then I'll be back to you, okay? Okay, so I've got the black down. I've touched up my sides. I've popped the air bubbles because I did mix up this black this morning, and it's only sat for about 40 minutes or so. All right, so we're going to begin to, so I might run into a small issue. We will see. I've got 4 colors that are mixed the way my old mixture. So I was doing 80 grams of Floetrol, 40 grams of paint, and 40 grams of water. Whereas my newer squirt bottles, I'm doing 80 grams of Floetrol, 40 grams of paint, and 35 grams of water. Now you might say to yourself, 5 grams of water, what's the big deal? But honestly, it can make a big deal. It's a matter of getting paints thicker or thinner. I also did the same new mixture with my black, and I blew it out with my regular, and I had to put it on high to get it to move. So this is a little thicker than I'm liking. So we'll see how this goes. But I've got some different consistencies here with this. So we'll see how it goes. All right, I think I'm going to start here in this corner. Kind of go off here at an angle. And put one branch here and one branch here. See how that goes. Sky blue light. Yeah, this is definitely thinner. Runs out a lot faster. So here is the new mixture. This is the DecoArt berry. Wow, this Amsterdam light blue on this black base looks awesome. Hope it blows out that way. Thinking these colors are going to really stand out on this black base. So. I just hope I can get a good composition with this smaller canvas. All right, I don't want a lot of white here. Just a few drops. I don't want much white in there. And the lemon yellow. Same thing with this. Don't want too much. All right. Let's torch for any air bubbles. Excuse me. All right, so we're going to use this little hair dryer. So let's just start here with this branch. Okay. These colors really pop on this black, I gotta say. All right, so now we can play with the composition a little bit. Don't like this section here. See if I can get something working here. I think what I want to do is I want to scrape this section here and see if I can blow out a different style here, different composition. If you don't like something, scrape it. You can add a little bit more black down here. That's better. Okay. So let's see if now we've got this black here. Let's see if we can kind of bring this up a little bit. There we go. That's better. Okay, I think I'm done with this. I like the composition. Fix this area here. Got some nice cells working over here. I'll show you that when I bring you down. Up here too, there's a lot of lacing in here. The only thing I would love to try to do is get this section just a little bit blown out. Ugh. Working with black, you really need to wear gloves. I don't know why I don't put gloves on. I mean, it's a little late now to be sticking gloves on, but let's move this back into place. That, look, no black on me, barely. All right, guys, I think I'm done playing. I'm not gonna mess with it anymore. And, all right, I'm gonna take you down and then I will show you what we got. All right, here we go. So here's what we've got. Take you down here in this corner. You see the cells here happening all through here. Got this lacing here in the corner. Just fantastic. Big cells, little cells. Got the metallic colors. That's going to make everything really pop. I messed with the composition a little bit, so I've got it all where it kind of looks the same. So I've already torched it. I torched that off camera. So the only thing I'm going to do again is I am going to mess with this little blue squiggly right here. I'm going to get rid of that. And then I'm going to come down here and scrape all my sides off with a stick. Going to do that once, come back in about 5 minutes, and then we will do that again. All right, guys, so once this dries, I'll get it up so you can see, and then after that, we'll put some clear crystal resin on it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll get notified when I do post a new piece. All right, guys, we'll see you when this dries. We'll put it up on the wall. Have a good day. Okay, here is the dried result. This is going to be really nice because once the crystal resin goes on this piece, those colors are going to really be vibrant. Take you in for a close-up. See those nice cells you got there? I just love these colors, especially on a black base. The paint mixture down there really turned out nice. Okay, guys, so if you're interested in this piece, you can email me directly at briansuppervalleyartistry@gmail.com. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell to get notified whenever a new video posts. All right, everyone, we'll see you next time. Have a great day.